Juliet, is Komodo the same size as Rumbot from Raze? KM is a bit taller than Raze's Roomba. Not by much, but... How the weather affects your skin, how the way you eat affects your skin, how often you wash your pillowcases. It all contributes. It's too easy. It's like, could you try harder, please? Give me a challenge. Can you fucking stop stealing my kills? I can't get off this goddamn gun if you steal my kills like that. Oh, pet the doggo. Pet the doggo. Yes, pet the doggo. As if I lose to that. How many people in chat are forklift certified? Can we run a poll? Oh, we're really stylish now, guys. We're really stylish. We're super styling. Olafels as well. There's tiny little olafels. They're Komodo sized. No, I wasn't the kid who tried to put a fork in the power outlet. I wasn't. I have a few more brain cells than that. Haru is like this height. Komodo's this height. Let's see if this... I want to be friends with this diva.
Hello there. Hi.
Yay! We've been friends! That one. Oh, come on! Oh. Oh no, no, we're not having a forehead appreciation post. We're not doing it. Forehead girls are gorgeous. Can't leave on a loss. One more, just one more. Call me whatever you prefer. Oh god, I walked into a sniper. Hello. My name is Dr. Juliet Winters and I'm a dummy.